2 of the study guide. All right, looking at 9 and 10, find the slope of the line. You are simply doing y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This is important to know, and it doesn't matter which one you pick. So in this case, I would do 12 minus 5 over 10 minus negative 14, which makes that plus. That gives you this, that basically gives you this answer. Down here, find the slope of a line parallel to each given line. That's simply just this. Remember, the slope is only that number. It's only the number. If you put X, I'm marking you off. You have to just put the number. That number is the slope. Over here, if it's parallel, it's going to have the same slope as that one. No X, it's just the number. It's rise over run. Find the slope of a line perpendicular. That means it's the opposite reciprocal. So if my slope here is a -1, the opposite reciprocal is a +1. And if my slope over here is a +4/5, then my answer is a -5/4. This is the opposite reciprocal. Down here, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line given the slope and y-intercept. In this case, the y-intercept is the 1. The slope is -5. That's the equation you get. Simple. Slope here, there is, or the y-intercept is 0. You don't have to put it. I would take that answer or that answer. Looking at this page, find the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line. It's important to read the directions because some of you are not giving me the correct formula. And if you do not give me the form that I'm looking for, I'm going to mark you off. In this case, we are going to first bring X over. We already know the answer because I'm writing on the answer key, but we have, if I bring the X over, I have -7y equals -2x plus 28. When I divide by -7, I divide that by -7, and I divide that by -7. Two negatives make a positive. That's a y. I'm sloppy, guys. I'm sorry. See? Penmanship matters, guys. The two 7s that are negative make a positive y. This 2 makes the positive 2 7s. And this right here makes the -4. So you're basically moving, you want y by itself. I'll do this one. In this case, I'm going to move that over. I'm going to get -5y equals -8x minus 30. I'm going to divide by -5. Then I get this answer right here. Down here, write the slope-intercept. That means you're starting, for this, you're going to have to start with the point slope. I'm going to start with this and then make it look like this. So in this case, I want it through this line parallel to this number or this equation. So I do y minus 5, see, equals, parallel means the same slope, -2/3, times, I don't put the x there. If you put the x there, you're going to be wrong. It's just the number, x minus -3, which that turns to positive. Before, listen carefully, before you move that 5, you have to distribute this first. Hopefully you're listening to me. You have to distribute this first before you can do anything else. So I get y minus 3, or 5, excuse me, equals -2/3 x. -2/3 times +3 is going to lend me a -2. Now I'm going to add 5 to both sides, giving me this answer. When I'm solving through and I'm looking for perpendicular, I'm doing the opposite reciprocal. So I'm going to do this, y minus 3 equals, the slope is the opposite reciprocal, 1, x minus 2. Y minus 3 equals x minus 2. Add the 3 to both sides, and you get this answer. I hope that helps.